Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, a very good morning, a very pleasant and a rainy morning. Pitter patter outside. I think it's so lovely. Are you enjoying the weather?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. A very rainy morning, rather. I know? Yes. So I hope you're all set in for the next session that we will have just now.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now I will begin from where I left the other day. And I think, let me check whether I saved that. Yes, I have. I hope we remember that I was actually taking up a bit book
Good
review.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope you remember we were actually taking up the book review online. I was typing out while you were speaking it, isn't it? I hope you remember that.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to share that document with you, and I will kind of finish that today. Let me see if I'm able to screen that. Yes, it's here. Remember this?
Ma'am, I have review.
You can see this. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing this. So that let me take the children who have just come in. Let me admit them, and then I'll get back to you. Yes. So this is the book review we took. Now tell me, find the mistake in the beginning here. Find the mistake.
Ma'am, name is not mentioned.
Very right. So the name of the book is missing here. I'll have to keep admitting everyone. Go there. Are you able to see my screen? What I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I am.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm sorry for coming late.
That's okay. Glad you could make it. So we've got. I was told about one of the mistakes that we had done, and that is the name of the book. So we have to write down that I'm picking up so that you can keep learning. Also, at the same time, that if we commit mistake, then what happens? Leave the screen and then do that work. So I'm trying to bring it in the center alignment. So it is in the center that the name of the book should be there. We may have written book review, right? So this is like question 2. Hannah, in the examination, we will be writing something like this: question 2, A part, like this. So this is the way we'll not this kind of a bracket. Why this bracket? There is a simple bracket. Okay, so we may attempt something like this. Question 2A, book review. So we will only write book review so that you and I or the examiner understands that you are doing question 2A part, which is a book review. After writing book review, only this side. That's all. Please don't write book review here in the center. All right? Because this is the place only for the name of the book that you are reviewing. And you do not even have to write down the name of the book. Nothing like that. NAME, name, OF, of. No. just simply write down the actual name of the book here. So this is what I've done, treasure trove, and this is the document that, if you remember, I was typing when you all were guiding and telling me. So we have got, we covered up these points, we covered up name of the book is done, we have done book released, we have done author, publish, pages, pricing, genre, we have worked upon that also. Now let's see what else is left here. We worked upon the story, plot line, outline, whatever the point was. Then we worked upon age group. Then we talked about attractive features. I hope I'm not going too fast. Are you able to follow what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Because this is something we had already
Yes, ma'am.
This is something
Yes,
which we had
ma'am.
already done that. Thank you for your feedback. It helps me. Then we talked about the cover of the book. Then we talked about the impact. Hannah, where did we leave off last time? You had done with me till where? Cover of the book is given a 3D look, somebody said, and the background is in blue color, and the page is full of shining stars. All right, then the impact. Anyone who reads the book will be transported to Venus, I wrote, and feel the presence of the students around him. Although it is completely an imagined story, still a reader relates to it as the actions of the students are like the ones on the earth. I'll add of imagined story of imagined story. All right, now any other point which is left out here? Please check your register and tell me if there's any other point I have to still do.
How it relates to real life.
How it relates to real life opinion of readers.
Opinion of reader and how it relates to real life. So I think for the real life, I think we can then mark this as real life, है ना? How it relates to the to a reader. Although it is completely an imagined story of Venus, still a story of Venus. Although it is completely an imagined story of students of Venus, है ना, that story. Still a reader relates to it. Still we are able to understand that story and enjoy it because the actions of the students, even of Venus, are like the ones on the earth. So there, that is the relation. Now, what is the last point you said?
Opinion of the reader.
All right, opinion. Give me a point then. What do you want as the opinion of a reader here? Give me the opinion you all have written in your register. Tell me, what is that opinion?
This book is very entertaining and imaginary.
What else? Anyone else? Anyone else also can add a line. Somebody else can also add. Give me a line and I'll add it. Anyone can. All of you. Let's all do it together. We're all learning together here. It's not about me. It's about you people speaking out whatever you think you can put down here. That is the best way that you will learn. recommend this book. So you're saying that I really recommend this book. So this is my opinion that everybody should read this book. Let me not put I. Sorry. Let me change the sentence a little bit. No I should come. Very important. We avoid I. We avoid the pronoun I in any of these questions. Okay, in a review. So therefore, this book is recommended for all. Recommended for all students. So that's how I take it up. Okay, now let's see. Have I finished with all points? Let me know. Somebody from the other end.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means I will get how many marks? So how many marks then so far? How are we marking? If I've got all my points right, then I should be able to get right
50.
1 mark for each point, isn't it? So that's a very simple thing that we have done. Another concern. You remember the review should be how many words?
250 to
No.
300.
No 250. We should try and make it 300. Okay, so it should be above 280. Try and let's keep the limit as 280, and nothing to worry, because the points when they are given and if you write about them, then automatically somewhere your word length will become that much. Worry is that we should not go more. Now here when I'm counting, it is showing me that my words are 299. So if I really wanted, suppose my words showed that they were 270. So I'll try and make an effort. Maybe I'll increase one line here more about the cover I can write, you know, or maybe I can write something more about the story. One line I can add here. So why? Because just a second, there was a flash, and let me see what the person is trying to say. So somebody is entering, somebody went left out. So what we can do is, if we see that the words are not to 300 or they are not to 80, then the easy way would be that I take up any point which I'm very confident about, suppose story, then I can write one more point here, something more. Maybe not rest of the story makes an interesting read. I cannot do after this. Maybe I can add before this. Let's try this story. I'm telling you how we can increase our words. That worry about the words should be at the end, not in the beginning. This story. Uh, let let us go importance we got to know from this story? Importance of what? You've all read this story, so tell me. Through this story, we all had learned the importance of what? Do you remember that story from class 10 book? किस चीज का इम्पोर्टेंस पूरी स्टोरी में हमें मालूम पड़ रहा था? Importance of stars, importance of sun. Very well. Suddenly we realize that the sun, which we take for granted here, which is taken for granted by Earth. All right. So what did I do? I just added another line. They can be written about the story so much. है ना? At that time, I had not written because I told them that rest of the story makes an interesting read, and I want you to go and read it on your own, isn't it? But now when I realized that my words were a little less, then I added one more aspect of the story from the book. This story lets us know the importance of sun, which is taken for granted by the earthlings. So now my words, it shows me here, are 315. So I'm pretty safe. I'm safe. I can, I don't have to worry. If I'm going around 310, I should not worry. Actually, with my words, I did not need to add that line. There was no need from my end to add that line because my words were actually 299. I have only added to show to you that if you are running short of words, if your review is running short of words, then how you can add anywhere, go back and add to any of these points and add as much as your words are showing. Now at the moment my review has gone over the limit because I added that. I actually don't need that line. So, well, I'll at the moment leave it because I think it's an interesting thing that I've written about the book, that whole book that I'm talking of. So, what was the name of that story? Do you recall it?
It was a summer day.
It was a summer day. Maybe I'll do one thing. I'll change the name of the book. Instead of a treasure trove, since no, we can't because I can. Let me change. I'm changing the name of the book. Now watch how I'm doing. Can anyone tell me what exactly am I doing?
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Watch and tell me what is the special thing I am doing. Is there anything particular that I have done here?
For capital.
Yes, first letter is capital in all the words. That's how you write the name of a book. Otherwise, the whole title can go wrong. If I write down it was summer day. If I write down like this, then no marks here. Remember, for name of the book, the first letter of each word should be in capital. This article or an adjective can be small. If by chance you do it small, it will be all right. But be careful that all the words should be in capital, the letters, the first. Now this is the only one, so here. So I need to change this. Now look at the thing that I'm doing. I'm making it capital. I'm making it capital. It was now I'm changing those letters to capital so that it is not a mistake. So this is the way I have corrected where it was a mistake. It was this I can keep as small here. It was a summer day. So W capital, S capital, D capital, of course I is capital. So that's how I write down. Let's go over. Any other things? So number of words you've understood here? I hope you've understood about the number of words, how to expand the points.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
ready? Are you all ready for a test on film review and book review? Can we have a test tomorrow? Quickly let me know. I have to take a test. You all have to give a test. And the Hafilis have begun. And everything we do will be added towards your Hafili marks. So tell me, when should we go for a test? Quickly decide. You can all take a screenshot here. Have you all clicked the photo? You can click the photo. Once you've clicked this much, then tell me, I'll scroll down so that you'll have one sample.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Clicked? All right. Maybe here. I'll put one paragraph. Let me see. Okay. Now let me put this.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you all have clicked, please let me know. And somebody can take it and put it down in the group also. Huh? Once you're through, let me know, then I'll scroll further.
Scroll.
Scored? You've done the clicking? Okay. Yeah. Now, the last part is left, reviewed by whom?
Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you. Carry on.
Ma'am, have you mentioned the point language?
Let me check. No, I changed this review, no? I changed the question here. I said I am removing the language from here. This question
Okay,
is
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
this question is different from the one I gave you for for your homework. I changed. I said no, just to give you an example that if it changes, the question can change. Each time the question can change. You may not have the same points. So you will have to understand how will you use the points and in which way will you write. So it's not that you can learn this up by heart and when I give you the book review, you can write this down. No, you won't be able to do that because I'll change the points. Right now I've given language, author, publisher, impact, opinion. When I make you write a book review, I'll change the points. I'll write something else and then you'll have to write accordingly. So that's why the practice is needed. It's not that we can write down one and then we can finish it off. That's not possible. So this is what we need to be very, that's why I've taken it up with you so that when we do it live, see if the name can be fitted now. Yeah, any other queries, any other problem? Take it up now while it is on screen. Well, is it helping you like this? Did it help you when I actually wrote it here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, I'm happy. Making things easy for you, suppose. Okay, anything, any name submitted by Anumasi. It can be your name, it can be any imagined name submitted by. Write your own name, that's one, that will be still better. I'm just writing another name here, just imagined name I'm writing. But you have to write on submitted, that's more important. And the name has first letter capital again, you see? The A is capital and in the surname M is capital. So this is what you need to be careful about. Submitted S capital, P small, no comma, nothing. So these are the things that you need to be careful about. Any other query? All right, now let's decide the day for the day you would like to submit your work, the day you would like to take for a test. Decide. Can we have it tomorrow?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
we have,
tomorrow we are having commerce test.
All right, so there's only one test that you can handle in one day. So you can handle only one test in a day.
yes, ma'am.
Many emotions, yes. Only thing is in emotions and E will come. Okay, many emotions. So we need E there. I'm reading the chat just now. Yes. So then when do we take it? If there's nothing difficult in it, is it so difficult that we cannot do a film review or a book review, whichever one that you want? There's no learning by heart here. You don't have to learn anything. You just have to write. You have to look at the point and then write something.
Okay, ma'am.
What about the
Okay,
others?
ma'am.
I need to hear from all the others. What do you feel? Chaitanya, Karan. See, there's no learning. What did I do with you when I just when I was doing this Word document with you? What did I do? I just wrote it along with you, isn't it? Did I learn from anywhere when I did this? Where is that gone? I don't know. I can't share it anymore. So think about it. Think about it. You want to practice now? You can practice now. I am giving you, I don't know if you can write. Try and see if you're able to write something. Speak out the points now. That's why I gave you a lot of time, you know. Question 2, I think I've really given you a lot of time to understand both the reviews. So what is left now? Where is the worry left now? Why is there fear factor? Why are you afraid? I want to understand. Share, tell me, children. Whatever is your worry, you can tell me, and otherwise the test would be on tomorrow. If you let me know.
Ma'am, should we give test on Monday?
Monday, how will that change? Tell me. Give me a reason. Hannah, give me a reason. Share your feelings. Tell me, no, ma'am, this is the problem, or whatever is the problem. You let me know. I wrote the review.
Ma'am,
Yes.
And because
ma'am, tomorrow there will be the rest of both the reviews.
We can all decide. How do you want? I am not deciding anything for you, children. You're grown up now in 11, and I would like it that we all decide together. Why you want me to dictate and say tomorrow is the test and this much is coming? Let's all decide together. It's about you all. I like to decide this way when I take up class 11 and 12. That you're all grown up, isn't it? So we can take up any one. We can take up any one, and then take up the other one on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Let everybody decide. Let everybody see. I just did the book review with you, Hannah. I typed out. You said book released. Okay, I wrote. Then you gave me the point author. I wrote on that. Then you talked about publisher. So what I did was, and this is exactly what you have to do. You have to look at the point and write about that in simple English. Did I write any heavy English here?
No, ma'am.
Isn't it your English?
Yes, ma'am.
A student's English? Do you think I actually wrote like a teacher here?
No, ma'am.
In fact,
No, ma'am.
reviews you people have written have much more heavy English. You realize that? But marks are for taking the point and writing it down in simple, clear English. Otherwise, if we write heavy language, then we will lose marks in language. You remember how the point becomes a 0 because the language goes wrong. So it's about point. So now you take a decision and you tell me, can we do this tomorrow? You know why, children? Shall I tell you why I want to do this? Because I want to finish with this topic and then I have to move to next part of the question paper. So I think once you do this, finish it off. I'll be taking number of tests. There'll be many small tests and quizzes and assignments, and you will get chances to keep improving your marks. Shall we finish this off tomorrow so that from Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
From Monday
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
learn something new. Then we will move to the next topic. I want to see how much you've understood this so that then I can move on to the next one. You people did discursive so well. You people have taken up. What was the topic we did on discursive? Online. Was it online?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
Anjali
ma'am.
says, I'm ready to give the text tomorrow. Okay, quickly. That's a good idea. Please put down here. I'm actually going on the screen and write down, I am ready. I'm each one of you. I'm ready for the test. Put it in the chat and then put it on the screen. Here, let me read it on the screen. Let me read it on the screen. Begin. Anjali is ready for the test. Write down like this. Your name and then write down. Put it on the screen. Put it on the screen. Not just in the chat. I'm asking you to, children, put it on the screen. I've shared the screen. Not in the chat. Write your name. Yes. Where you're drawing a line, वहाँ पे करो. यहाँ लिखो. लिखना पड़ेगा. Write your name. No, don't write I am ready. Write your name. Chaitanya is ready. Anjali is ready. Like this. And small so that everybody can write on this. Signs, छोटा सा sign करो अपना, है ना? अंजलि अपना छोटा जरा sign बनाओ और नीचे लिख दो I am ready. Yes, like this. Like maybe I am ready. Anjali is ready. Janvi is ready. I can read. Chaitanya is ready. Janvi is ready. Let me read. Use different colors, all of you. All right. So Anjali is ready. Keep writing is ready also. No? Anjali ready. Anjali ready. ऐसे लिखो. Anjali ready. बेटा thin लो. Thin brush लो. ताकि हाँ Anjali ready. Good. Now next one. Ria ready. One at a time so that all of you get time. Quick, Hana, we have little time left. So, okay, Ria ready. Next. Anuradha ready. Let me clear it little bit. Just a second, just let me clear it so that we can see. Okay, now others can come up. So I have already got Chaitanya, Anjali, Janvi, Anuradha, Ria. Who is coming next? Okay, Tejasvi. Tejasvi is ready. Good. Write down your names quickly, quickly. I've just entered the question, so yeah. Who all are ready for the test? Anuradha is ready, Janvi is ready, Anjali is ready, Tejasvi is ready. What about the others?